Hello children, myself Shubha Patil Kulkarni. I am going to continue with chapter 7 coordinate geometry. Up to 5th sum I solved. 6th question heading is name the type of quadrilateral formed. So we don't know then which type of quadrilateral they had given. We had to find out. Name the type of quadrilateral means we have to find out which type of quadrilateral it is. If any, by the following points and give reasons for your answers. They gave 3 questions in this heading. So they gave here 4 points. So we'll take it these 4 points as let A, B, C, D be the 4 vertices of a given quadrilateral. We don't know what is the type of quadrilateral, we have to find out now. So you know now quadrilateral means which is having 4 sides and 4 angles are called as quadrilateral. So in that quadrilateral, types of quadrilaterals are there: square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram, kite. All these are all types of quadrilaterals. We have to name which type of quadrilateral it is given. First question I'll take it and let this be quadrilateral. The vertices of these this quadrilateral be A, B, C, D, and first coordinates A point coordinate we'll consider like this way, and I'll find out by using distance formula. You know now already distance formula is x2 minus x1 square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And so now I have to find out the distance between A and B. So if I have to find out the distance between A and B, I will consider this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. And in place of this formula, I have to substitute x2 value as 1 and x1 value as minus 1. When minus it comes, you have to write the bracket, small bracket and big bracket it comes. 1 minus of minus it becomes 1 plus 1 whole square, and 0 minus of minus 2 it becomes 2 square. So substitute the values and simplify. After simplification, you will get a square root of 2 square plus 2 square. 4 plus 4 is square root of 8, I got it. The distance between A and B, I got it root 8, children. In the same way, the distance between B and C, I will find out. By substituting, I am taking now this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. So, in between which point we have to find out the distance. We have to consider let the first point coordinate be x1, y1 and the next point coordinate be x2, y2, and we have to substitute in the given formula, that is the distance formula. Then I have to simplify. I got it the distance between BC also root 8. In the same way I found the distance between C and D. I got square root of 8 only. So that time I have to take it this one as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2, and I have to substitute in the given formula, that is distance formula. Then I have simplified. I got the distance between C and D also root 8. Another one side is there. I have to find out the distance between D and E also, children. Write down this much. I am going to continue. Children, now I found the distance between D and A. So after substituting the values, this I have taken as x2, y2 and this as x1, y1, and I substituted in the distance formula and I simplified. I got the distance between D and E also root 8. So we got it all 4 sides of this quadrilateral are equal. So first AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. I got it now. Then I am going to check the diagonal, the distance between diagonal AC and BD. So the diagonal AC I have taken. When I take AC diagonal, I have to consider this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. This is a diagonal, AC is a diagonal. This coordinate of A, we have to take it as x1, y1, and the C coordinate I have to take it as minus 1 and 2. Then this is x2, y2, this is x1, y1. Substituting the distance formula and find out what is the distance between A and C. So I got the distance between A and C as 4. And in the same way, BD distance, BD diagonal distance if I find, I got it that also 4. So by observing all this, I got the distance of between all 4 sides are equal. All 4 sides in this quadrilateral are equal and diagonals are also equal. 2 diagonals are equal. So in quadrilateral, which type of quadrilateral? It contains all 4 sides are equal and 2 diagonals are equal, that is square, children. So you know the type of quadrilateral or what are the properties of quadrilaterals. In a square, in a quadrilateral, if four sides are equal and two diagonals are equal, that type of quadrilateral we are going to say it as square, children. So the given these coordinates, four coordinates, it forms a square, first one. Okay children, copy down. Children, in second heading, 4 points they give. We consider let A, B, C, D by quadrilateral, and the first coordinates are let the coordinates of A, B in the same way, next C coordinates, next D coordinates. I find out the distance between A and B, B and C, C and D and D and A in a quadrilateral by using this distance formula. Distance formula is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First I'll find the distance between A and B. So when I am finding the distance between A and B, I have to consider this one as x1, y1 and these coordinates as x2, y2. Substitute the values, and in place of x2 value, x1 value, y2 value, y1 value, be careful when the negative sign comes, use double bracket, small bracket and the big bracket. 3 minus into minus plus, it becomes 3 plus 3 6 whole square. 1 minus 5 means the bigger number sign 4, minus 4 it becomes, I have to subtract and the bigger number sign I have to put minus 4 whole square. 6 square plus minus 4 whole square, it becomes 16. After adding these two, 36 plus 16, it becomes square root of 52. In the same way, I have to find out the distance between D and C. That is the minus 3 whole square, it becomes plus 3 minus 1 whole square. Square root of 9 plus 4, it becomes 3 square, minus 3 square is 9. 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 square is 4. So 9 plus 4 is square root of 13, I got it. And in the same way, I have to find out the distance between C and D by considering this one value as x1, y1 and this one as x2, y2 in distance formula. So after simplification, minus 1 minus 0 whole square is minus 1 whole square only. Minus 1, if I multiply double time, I am going to get 1. Minus 4 minus 3 whole square is minus 7. Minus 7 whole square is 49. So 49 plus 1 is square root of 50. The same way I have to find out the distance between D and A. So if I find out square root of minus 3 minus of minus 1 means minus 3 plus 1 it becomes minus 2 whole square is 4. 5 minus of minus 4 whole square means minus into minus plus 5 plus 4 9, it becomes 9 square is 81. So after adding these two, it becomes square root of 85. Children, here you observe all 4 sides distances are different. If all the 4 sides distance, if it is different, then it forms a general quadrilateral. So it is a general quadrilateral, children, because all 4 sides are different. Okay children, write down. Children, in this main third question, they gave 4 coordinates. We'll consider, let these 4 coordinates be the vertices of a quadrilateral ABCD. So by using distance formula is D is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So I have to find out the distance between AB, BC side distance I have to find out, CD distance I have to find out, DA distance I have to find out. So now by using this distance formula, if I find out the distance between A and B, AB means this one I have to consider it as x1, y1 and this one as x2, y2. Substitute the values and you will get after simplification root 10 as distance between A and B. In the same way, the distance between B and C by using this formula, I have to find out root 18, I got it. In the same way, CD distance I have to find out by using distance formula. Then after simplification, I got it CD measurement as root 10. DA measurement on one side, measurement I got it root 18 by using distance formula. Then if I observe, see root 10, root 10, root 18, root 18. So in a quadrilateral, opposite sides are equal. AB measurement and CD measurement. AB is equal to CD is equal to root 10, I got it. In this quadrilateral, opposite sides are equal then. So in the same way, another two sides BC is equal to DA is equal to root 18. So these two opposite sides are equal. And I have to find out the distance between diagonals also. I got the diagonals measurement as AC is equal to 2 and BDL is equal to root 52. So diagonals are different, I got it. Here, when I found the distance between all four sides in this quadrilateral, I got opposite sides are equal and two diagonals are different. So these property it satisfies for parallelogram. So the given quadrilateral, it is a parallelogram, children. You should know the properties of quadrilateral. What is the property of square? What is the property of rectangle? What is the property of parallelogram? What are the properties of rhombus, kite and all? So according to that property, if it is satisfying, then you have to say that quadrilateral. So here it is not a quadrilateral, means here this type of quadrilateral, it satisfies the property of parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and diagonals are different. So children, this is a parallelogram. Okay children, write down.